Hey guys, it's Fonzie. I hope everybody out there is safe and feeling healthy. It has been a very challenging month or so, not only for DipYourCar, but for everybody out there. And let's be honest, there's businesses that are completely shut down. There are people without jobs. So this video is not about, DipYourCar's position being the worst. And it's not about anything like that at all. All I'm trying to do is give you guys a bit of an update as to where we are as a company, because there's a lot of customers out there that are waiting for product, and I think you deserve that. And I just wanted to do something nice at the end of the video as well. So with DipYourCar, we are still shipping orders, we are still functional. However, like a lot of other companies, we have reduced staffing, we have reduced product and supply, we have longer lead times than ever, but there's lots of people at home that want to dip their cars, and the demand for product is still very strong. And that kind of creates the perfect storm for back orders and delays. So yes, we are here. We are doing everything we can to ship your orders out, but it is not business as usual, and I want to apologize for that. The last thing I ever want to do is have somebody excited about buying our products and for us not to be able to fulfill their orders in a reasonable amount of time. I personally shop online. I personally am not a patient person. So if I buy bass fishing stuff, whatever it is, and I'm excited about it, I want it. And with Amazon nowadays and other things out there, you expect that immediate gratification. So normally what we do is we try to get your orders out within 24 hours of when it's placed. Most customers, and I'm saying 95% of customers, have been incredibly patient, incredibly kind and understanding. They know what's going on. They're willing to wait for the product, and it's going super smooth. But of course, there are people out there that are not quite as understanding, and they're getting frustrated. And I don't think that's wrong. I understand your frustration. I share your frustration. Believe me, last thing I want to do is have a team of people that are constantly trying to cut down a tree that just keeps continuing to grow. So first and foremost, we're doing everything we can to get your orders out, and there is light at the end of the tunnel. We're bringing staffing in more and more every week now. The manufacturers are starting to get caught up. So today is the 6th of May. My guess is by mid-May, second week, maybe third week of May, we should be just about back to business as usual. So good news there. But because of the delays and because there are people out there that are just being so cool about how long things are taking and waiting a little bit of extra time, I wanted to do something nice for you guys. So here's what we're doing. We're giving away 3 full car kits in whatever color you want. In order to enter the giveaway, you really only have to do 2 things. 1, you have to be subscribed to DipYourCar, of course. 2, you have to leave a comment in the comment section below. Now, this is going to go for a full 24 hours. 24 hours from now, I'm going to come on. I'm going to use the random comment generator thing that YouTube Buddy thing gives you. We're going to select 3 random comments, confirm that that user is subscribed, and we're going to list those 3 winners in the description box below. So to summarize, subscribe, you leave a comment, check back after 24 hours, and in the comment section below, we're going to list the 3 winners. And then in there's going to be kind of instructions on how to verify that you're actually who you say you are. We'll get you a car kit in whatever color you want. Very exciting. We don't do giveaways too often, so definitely try and take advantage of this. In the meantime, I'm gonna get right back to work. We're gonna keep pushing out these orders as fast and as accurately as we can. Again, thank you guys so much for not only the support and the love, but the patience. It's Fonzie. Good luck in the giveaway. I'll see you on the next video.